Hello and welcome. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sarah. Hi, everyone.
Today's topic is very useful. We're going to learn how to order coffee in English.
Yes, if you visit the US, UK, or Canada, you will go to a coffee shop.
We want you to feel ready, so we'll teach you easy phrases.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, let's start.
Okay, you are at a coffee shop. The worker smiles and asks,
What can I get for you?
that's the first phrase. Repeat after Sarah. What can I get for you?
Great. Now, how do you answer? You say, Can I have?
Can I have is polite. For example, can I have a coffee, please?
The word please is important. Repeat, Can I have a coffee, please? Good. Now, maybe you want a size. In coffee shops, you have small, medium, or large.
Repeat. Small, medium, large. Perfect. So you can say, can I have a large coffee, please?
Now let's listen to a short conversation. Listen for the size and the drink. Hi, what can I get for you?
Can I have a medium coffee with milk, please?
Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Anything else?
No, that's it. Thanks.
Great. Have a nice day.
Welcome back. Great job listening. Sarah, let's review the new phrases.
Sure. First, Lisa said, Can I have a medium coffee with milk? Size plus drink plus addition. Easy.
Yes. The worker asked, hot or iced? Iced coffee is coffee with ice.
Repeat. Hot, iced.
Then the worker asked, anything else? That means, do you want more?
Lisa said, No, that's it. That means I'm finished. You can also say, That's all.
Okay, let's review. To order, you say,
Can I have?
good. Add your size, small, medium, or,
Large.
and always say please and thank you.
Now, here is our question for you. What is your favorite drink to order?
Tell us in the comments. Do you like coffee, tea, hot chocolate?
Right, my favorite drink is. We will read your comments.
Thanks for practicing with us today.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone.